Sahara Chief Subrata Roy's police custody has been extended till next hearing. Sahara Chief has told the Supreme Court that he will refund the investors in 2 months' time in a case which has been ongoing with the SEBI, the market regulator, on duping the investors. Now we have Meenakshi joining us with more details on what exactly happened inside the court. Meenakshi, we do know that Sahara Chief was apologetic for failing to appear in the last hearing, after which a non-bailable warrant was issued against him. But the Supreme Court standing very firm, the bench not giving any relief to Sahara Chief and extending his police custody.
Yes, absolutely. That is the view that has emerged from the top court. And since the outset, while the Sahara Chief Subrata Roy was escorted to the Supreme Court, we have been trying to bring to our viewers about the mood of the court. And today, again, what has emerged from the hearing, after the hearing, the bench is in no mood to relent. That is very clear. Secondly, what has emerged is a lack of trust that the Supreme Court feels insofar as Subrata Roy and Sahara is concerned. That is, again, another perspective that has emerged from today's hearing. All along today, we saw how there were attempts after attempts on the part of senior advocates like Rajiv Dhawan and Ram Jethmalani, and Subrata Roy himself at one point in time got up to address the bench in person, trying to placate the bench, trying to assure the bench about their bona fides. That has not found any merits today with the Supreme Court. At one point in time, Subrata Roy even offered this alternate proposal to the Supreme Court, saying that the deeds of his property, which SEBI is already in possession of, SEBI should go ahead and dispose of those properties to recover the said amount. That point in time, Supreme Court interrupted Subrata Roy by saying that abundant time has been given to him in the past to comply, and those directions have not been complied with. So clearly, somewhere there is a lack of trust that the Supreme Court feels insofar as Sahara Group and Subrata Roy in particular are concerned, and this has emerged in this order which the Supreme Court has passed today, and it is unprecedented to say that the NBW, which was issued on account of repeated non-appearance, perhaps in a more reasonable scenario would have stood cancelled, but because the Supreme Court feels that this problem will continue till and unless the directors can come to the Supreme Court with an alternate proposal, a breakthrough proposal which is acceptable to the Supreme Court, the top court is of the opinion that the custody of Subrata Roy, along with other directors, barring one, Vandana Bhargav, should continue. So clearly, unprecedented order of sorts, and Supreme Court expressing its deep displeasure and lack of trust.
And of course, trouble mounting for Sahara Chief there. Thanks, Meenakshi. But also, let's look at the high drama that played outside the court earlier today when ink was flung at Sahara boss Subrata Roy. The attacker, who claims to be an advocate from Gwalior, has identified himself as Manoj Sharma. In fact, right after the incident, the advocate was manhandled and roughed up allegedly by Roy supporters. And Manoj Sharma, the attacker, has now been taken to the police station in the capital.
मैं वादा करता हूँ बाहर निकल कर आपसे भी लूंगा।
Well, that's the drama which unfolded outside the Supreme Court at precisely 12:52 p.m. today in the afternoon, where this advocate Manoj Sharma flung ink at Sahara Chief, and Sahara Chief on his part had promised that he will come out and speak to the media, but at the same time now the fresh order coming in, his police custody has been extended. Well, we continue tracking that story.